Welcome to this tutorial on disabling IPv6 on Windows machine. So first, let's open the control panel by using the search bar located in the bottom left hand corner. Okay, so just select search control panel. This is the control panel. Open the network and sharing center. Click on the change adapter setting. Right click on Ethernet. Go to the property. There is a tick mark on Internet Protocol version 6. Just uncheck it and click on the OK button. Now you have successfully disabled the IPv6 from the Windows machine. And thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for your technology needed. Thanks everyone.